Krispy Kreme drive-thru. Back there. Oh, we thought it was closed. Slowly reversing. Like these Krispy Kreme attacks. Look, it's a whole Krispy Kreme factory. I told you. Huh? Huh? Oh my God, you smell it?
There's no drive-thru.
Oh, it's over there.
Oh my goodness.
Look at, they even got the old school sign.
Oh no, I smell it.
That needs to be repainted. They don't want you to even know that. Look at all the boxes.
Tell me I got something in my tire.
Do not say that, please. I just watched something. Look at how freaking big this drive-thru is.
And the receipt is in the bag.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay.
Yeah, it doesn't smell as good as Dunkin' Donuts. It's weird.
You gotta tell them. Put in a quote. I don't know. You're gonna check it. Can I do this? Here's a 3 birthday one. This is like $6. So hold on. There's a. I can't get away from the airplanes when I'm recording anything. I go from one airport to the next. Wait.
No, I'm not ready.
Okay, so here's the 3 donuts that they give you. They're actually really big. The case looks like it's like this one. I'm just like always coughing in my videos. No? Nothing? You gotta go back now?
Yeah, I gotta go back.
See? Yeah, look about that one. Let me see how big those are compared to these. Basic. I mean, I guess it's just an original glaze with stuff dipped in something. Go ahead, grab it. There's a raspberry. Look at this crusty chocolate one. I want it. Or do you want the goofy chocolate one? You want to try the pumpkin with me? What do we get? Oh, custard, sprinkles, chocolate glaze, 3 raspberries. 1, 2, 3, 4 raspberries. Not bad. They didn't have it. This is the only pumpkin one they had. Honestly,
You don't see anything in the tire? I mean, it sounds like it was coming on this side, right?
I want the OG. Probably a rock. This looks so... Oh my gosh. Probably a private jet. Oh, so soft. Oh my god, it just melts. Mmm. Ooh, yeah.
This is the bag.
Ooh, yeah.
I mean, it sounded like it came from my side, right?
Those are fire.
Bro. I got freaking a whole loading that 1, 2, 3, 4,
You
5,
didn't notice
6,
it when we went
7.
to the drive-thru?
No, I was staring at everything else.
You're